Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome. My name is Megan. What I realized is that when I'm watching vlogs, I prefer to see those kinds of intros, so I wanted to do them today, and also I didn't want to be talking early, so I eased into my day, and now we're finally going to get into me chatting with you guys a little bit. Today's video is just a lovely day in my life. Today being a productive day in my life. Really needs to be a productive day in my life. It's a Monday, and I'm traveling on Friday. I'm also filming another vlog called Prep With Me for Vacay, so that's going to be more about the trip, so I'm not going to really talk about it in this video. Last week I didn't go to the gym. I only went like 2 days. I started to get some weird knee pain, and then also I just decided I wanted to take some time off, which is obviously always fine. So I took some time off, but now I feel like ready to go back. I feel like if I took today off that I just wouldn't go. You know what I mean? Especially when you have a trip planned, you either go to the gym up to the trip or you just don't go because you're like, oh, I'm gonna go on a trip anyway. So I want to be the other one today. So far my morning has been really good. I've been really trying to instill a morning routine in my life, and I think it's kind of been working with waking up, making my bed, making breakfast, getting all my supplements in order, getting ready for the gym, like actually washing my face and everything. I'm feeling good about that, and hopefully I can keep that up because it definitely makes me feel good to have some kind of a routine. I have a lot that I want to get done today, but the first thing on my agenda is getting to the gym and actually working out. I'm not going to be weightlifting for 11-12 days when I go on vacation, so I know I'm going to miss it, so I want to just get some movement in today. I'm wearing my Oner active outfit. Let me just give you guys, I'll just give you guys a quick rundown. So this is the timeless sports bra. She's definitely a bit lower coverage, so just keep that in mind. And you can make the back a bunch of different ways. I just have it in the normal straight version today. And then my timeless jacket, which I love. And then these are the effortless leggings in the color coal. I really like the look of coal with black. I think it's really cute. And then just my hokas. That is the fit, and then I just put my hair up. I actually got a haircut, so I don't know if you guys can tell. These front strands are kind of short. And I also brought my TV back so I can be extra productive. I love lo-fi music in the background when I'm working or when I'm getting ready and stuff, so I love having that accessible. So you'll see that a lot in future videos. But like I said, I kind of want to just get my day going because I have a lot that I want to accomplish today, and a lot that I need to accomplish this entire week in order to travel and actually be able to relax. I'm gonna go downstairs, I'm gonna get everything prepped, and I'm gonna head to the gym. I have a feeling the gym is going to be busy today because it's a holiday. We'll see if I film my workout or not, but I'm definitely going to get a workout in, and we'll touch base when I'm done. I'm going to attempt to do a voiceover in one take, so wish me luck. First of all, sorry for the different like zoomed out and zoomed in angles. I filmed this only for Instagram, so I'm just working with what I have. But I started off my workout with some cast glute bridges. I did them on a bench with a dumbbell. I've been preferring dumbbells lately as opposed to having to set up the entire hip thrust thing. So what I have here is I have the bench under my scaps, and then since the bench is a bit higher for me to hit full hip extension, that's why I put the plates under my feet so that when I'm at the top of the movement, I am a flat line with my body. Next, we're going to be moving into some B stance RDLs. If you guys know me, you guys know I've been keeping these in my routine. I RDL twice a week. I do one that is B stance and one that is traditional stance. I like this. I think unilateral work is obviously super important to make sure that your right and your left leg are getting that same amount of love. If you've ever had an injury from one leg to the other, then this can be even more important for you and your body. Next, we're going to be moving into a Bulgarian split squat drop set. So here what we want to do is we want to do 8 to 10 reps weighted. Then once you decide whatever amount of reps that you plan to do weighted, you drop the weight and then you go into body weight reps. I'm doing them here by a squat rack and I'm holding on. The reason that I'm holding on is because I find that my stability with split squats is trash, and I'd rather not have to focus on my stability. I'd rather be able to focus on ensuring I'm doing the movement pattern right. So that's why I hold on. Obviously you don't have to, but that's why I do. And then I'm going into these body weight reps here, which obviously are a bit gruesome. My face is like giving stank face, but this is a super good way to do split squats. I really enjoy a good drop set. Next, we're going to be doing a superset here, which is something different than I usually do with quad extension. So I'm starting off with normal quad extensions, kind of trying to go a little bit heavier on the weight. I don't do super heavy quad extensions, but I do try to challenge myself. Obviously, it's kind of like the last thing I do in a day. So I'm going into quad extensions here. Then immediately afterwards, we're going to go into a heel elevated goblet squat, which these two together are so killer. And I think I saw this from Meg B Fit on Instagram. I saw this idea and I was like, okay, I'm gonna have to give this a try. So now we're gonna move into the heel elevated goblet squats right after we get off of the quad extension machine, trying to pick a nice challenging weight that still I'm able to do all the reps with good form. This was so awful and it was just a big burner, but I definitely recommend it. I think it's a fun way to kind of switch up your training. And then lastly, we're gonna be moving into some calf raises, which I've been trying to do more consistently. So giving myself a little pat on the back here. I'm not really doing any heavy weight because I'm just trying to focus on the movement and I'm really scared to hurt my calves again like I did last time. So we're taking it easy, but we're not skipping them. But that is all for the workout. I hope you guys enjoyed and let me know if you ever give any of my workouts a try. Hello, I just got my workout in. It was quite busy in there, but I still recorded because I wanted to have some content for you guys and for Instagram. I'm gonna be posting a lot from my trip on my Instagram, so feel free to follow me. Hopefully that doesn't bother anyone. I'm not gonna post fitness content if I'm not working out, and I also love having a memory log of my trip, so that's what it's gonna be, and hopefully you guys are down with travel with Schmegs for, 11 days. I'm leaving the gym. I'm hot. I'm tired. I'm sweating. It was a really good workout, and now I'm gonna go to Starbucks. I just ordered my drink because I love to have Starbucks when I have a lot of work to do on the computer. And then I'm quickly gonna go to Wegmans, which is our grocery store chain here, and get some things that my mom needs so that we can make dinner. So, what's going on? Every time I'm vlogging, I feel like every day that I vlog and I want to be productive, then an Oner package comes and then I spend 15 minutes opening the packages, getting excited, looking at it, and then I'm like, oh, I have to show the vlog. Like, I have to show you guys. So I'm showing you guys. I know this isn't very productive. I have absolutely no details on this, no launch details, no idea what else is coming. So I just got my package and I know what I have. I have no idea what other people have. So we'll just wait and see, and I'll give you guys further details. If I have time, I'll create like a full video if they give me full details. If they don't, then I will just make a little post announcement and you guys can follow me on my Instagram. But this will give you guys like a quick little brief haul of the stuff that I received. So let's get into it. I think you guys are gonna be very excited. Everyone and their moms asked me when the lounge restock is. I have a strong feeling it's gonna be coming. I just have a little inkling. So we'll start here. We have some deep taupe trousers. I can't tell if this is like anything different. It doesn't seem different. And then they gave me the deep taupe hoodie to match. I actually have this already. I bought this on my own and I guess they didn't know, so they sent me it. So I'll be gifting this to one of my best friends to wear. And then they sent me some black joggers with this updated logoing, and oh my god, not the tassels hitting my hair. The updated logoing. And then I also got a black crop hoodie, which I'm so excited about. I don't know if they ever released these or not. I honestly can't remember, but I don't have it. So I'm really happy to have this. I just think it'll pair so sleek and cute together, and I live in these zip ups because they're just so easy to take on and off. This is my favorite. I think, well, one of my favorite things. I love this new color. So we have Cole in a sweat set. So these are the joggers. And I've seen Chrissy teasing this on her story, so I know that it's coming in a full-length zip up as well. They actually sent me a matching crew neck. I feel like they must have watched my video and heard me say that I've never tried their crew necks because they came through. It feels super lightweight, like super thin, which I think is perfect for the warmer time coming up. Then they sent me these joggers and I'm just kind of confused because the name is Slate Blue, which I believe came in the birthday collection. If I'm not mistaken, I swear it was called Slate Blue, and it kind of looks like it too. So I don't know if they're restocking this or I don't know. Maybe they just had extra stock and gave it to me. I have no idea. I have no idea what's coming in this launch, but I love the lounge collection. I know you guys do too, especially as someone who literally does everything from home. It's nice to have super cozy stuff, and Oner stuff is top 10 when it comes to quality. I also work out in this stuff. It's time to get productive, okay? Got my Starbucks and I ate, so I'm feeling fueled to actually use my brain. I have some client program things that I need to make before I travel, so I have to prep a new client to be onboarded, and then I have a full personalized program to create today. So those are kind of my two main tasks, as well as getting back to emails and stuff. I've been watching productivity videos and stuff, and they talk about how there's like the 5-second tasks and how we always put those off, and I am that person. The 5-second task of you see a text, answer it right then and there so that you don't have it sit and then you forget about it. Same thing with checking your email, responding to emails that really only take 5 seconds, but you're putting it off because you're like, oh, I'll just do it later. I'm trying to get better at my 5-second tasking skills because anyone in my life will tell you I'm the worst responder, and I feel really bad about it. I'm either responding right then and there or I'm not answering. So I'm trying to be better about that. About 2 hours later, we got everything on my checklist done. My client programming stuff being kind of my main emphasis. Took kind of a while, but I'm always proud when the programs are done and I can send them out, so that's super exciting. And then I hate how long it takes me to get back to emails and stuff. It is kind of ridiculous, but I got back to all of my emails, partnerships, kind of securing some new brand collabs that I'm very excited about for YouTube. So you guys will see those obviously in the future. The only stuff that I really have left to do is editing stuff, and with editing I don't really put due dates or anything on editing. I kind of try to just edit as I go. Typically I like to edit in my bed at night and just do my thing, and I get like spurts of creativity. I don't like allot time for editing. I just kind of make it happen. Obviously if I know things are due, like launch content or things like that, then I obviously allot it a little bit more in my schedule, but at the moment we're good. I am finally gonna take a shower. I feel like that'll help me because I feel like I got very tired. The sun's starting to set. Mia makes her first appearance of the vlog. I'm actually going to be closing it out right now. I was just doing some editing for a video that I feel like I've been editing forever because I just am so excited to share it with you guys, but also want it to be like really good. So taking my time. Hopefully that'll be up super soon. And I'm very happy. I feel like today was a really good, productive day. Great start to the week. Kind of set myself up for success, which I think is great. To me, productivity is more than just checking off everything on your checklist, but also making sure that you're efficient with your time in a way that you can still enjoy the rest of your day and not have your whole day be tasks you have to do. So making sure that I allotted time to go to the gym, to cook dinner, watch a show with my mom, have time to read before bed. So just kind of making sure that I made my day more than just checking off tasks and not enjoying it. So I think it's really important to also in your extra productive days make sure that you have things that you actually enjoy doing, like the simple joys of your day. That is going to be it for this video, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next one.